This is Roger with Destinations by Del Castillo. We are here in Palm Springs. We are at the Marriott Shadow Ridge 2, the Enclaves. Basically, it's a Marriott Vacation Club. We ordered a two-bedroom villa, and basically what the two-bedroom villa is going to be, it's going to be one room, 5501, which is a one-bedroom suite, and 5502, which is a king room. So they're both adjoining. They will have adjoining rooms. We're going to check out the king room first for you. So let's go take a look. So they are adjoining rooms, so we do have the door open already. But as you step in to 4502, this is at the very end of the resort, basically. To your right, you're going to have your restroom. You'll have a full-length mirror available for you. Of course, you'll have a bathtub shower combo. Does have a little clothesline if you need there to dry your swimsuit or anything like that. Large vanity. You have plenty of storage room. Extra toilet paper and Kleenexes, of course. They have your plenty of storage available for you. Hair dryer is going to be available for you in here in the room as well. So it does have a little night light at the bottom. That way you just have that at night in case to help you get to find the restroom. Okay, we're going to step in. Going to have a little kitchenette area. So the drawers are going to contain all your utensils. You have a little mini fridge, sink, your coffee maker, and your microwave. Toaster is available too. It does have the coffee available for you. You're going to have your wardrobe also here. Going to come with an ironing board, an iron, of course. You do have extra bedding because the couch here is a pull-out couch, and your safe is going to be in here as well. To the right, of course, is going to be a king-size bed, and on both sides of the bed, you will have a power station which has USB ports and outlets. You're also going to have an alarm clock there, which does have wireless charging capabilities on top. More outlets. More storage on the end tables. They will have a couple of beach pool towels for you. The pool is just about 20 feet down the sidewalk here. Going to have your phone, of course. A little sitting area. As I mentioned, that is a pull-out couch. Have a little table and a couple of chairs. An ottoman if you like to use that. And, of course, the widescreen TV. The view here is going to be a view of the golf course. So, no patio on this section. The patio is going to be on the other section of the one-bedroom suite. So, there's a golf course back there. Can't tell you which hole it is. So, let's go take a look at the one-bedroom suite. Go through the connecting door. When you come in, off to your left is going to be the restroom, which is locked from the other side. So we will go check that out once we go through the bedroom. Also to the left here, you're going to have a washer and dryer available for you. They do have some laundry detergent that you can use and probably contact housekeeping if you need any more. There is a fire extinguisher in there. Climate control unit, which I didn't show you on the other side, but the climate control is going to be the same for your heating and cooling. You have a pantry, which is going to have all your dishes and some mixing bowls, cookware. We have some snacks in there for later. And basically, like I said, it's going to be like almost like a full-size kitchen here, mini kitchen. You have full-size fridge and freezer, microwave, stove and oven, toaster, blender. All your utensils are going to be in the drawers here. Cooking utensils and dining utensils. Coffee station there with your coffee. Going to have a dishwasher available for you if needed. Of course, you got your sink, butcher block, a seating for 6 in the dining area here. The console is all empty, so you can use that for storage if you need to. Oh, sorry about the finger there. You're going to have the sitting area. You're going to have another pull-out couch, a couple of chairs, a couple of ottomans, plenty of storage. You got a little storage end table here on the side if you need. On the other side, you're going to have a little some charging ports and an outlet, your phone. Then we're going to go into the bedroom. The bedroom does have a sliding barn door for privacy. Into the bedroom, you're going to have your king-size bed. Again, on both sides, you will have a little charging station. You will have your, USB ports, outlets. You'll have the clock, just like the other room, with a wireless charging station, some more outlets on it. Nice seating chair and ottoman inside the bedroom area. In the closet, you're going to have your iron and ironing board in the back there. Both will come like a little luggage caddy, so you can open your luggage and unpack. And I was going to have a safe in here as well, and your full-length mirror. It's going to be on the inside of the closet. Have a little dresser where the TV's located at. And, of course, access to the bathroom. So the bathroom's going to come with a double vanity. Plenty of storage room, just like the other one. You're going to have extra toilet paper, Kleenexes. You're going to have your hair dryer in here as well. You got the double vanity. You're going to have a little makeup mirror. Of course, you're going to have outlets if needed. A toilet, and then you're going to have a nice shower here. So, very nice large shower. No tub, but we personally don't like tubs. So it's going to be a nice large shower with a little hanging cord if you need it, if you need drying cord. So, and again, they're going to go out this side of the door back into the main living area and show the view out the back. We do have seating out back here. Going to have 2 chairs, a little table, as you can see they're being used, and of course a nice view of the golf course. All right. So this is Roger with Destinations by Del Castillo. Again, we're in Palm Springs. This is February 23rd, 2026. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. We like to get to answer those. Please like and subscribe. Tell your friends. If you have any questions, just let us know. And safe travels. Thank you.